Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
I say Endra Nende, my bo audios and qua, Nanini na Ghana for audios abomo sene. Ma can't send me clear audios nansa, ya consent so. Na, Mr. Infonina Tregu screen so no, a entire you produce your broche. The aya no we need you na opeso support ya, very easy. Yen can't trail be as one first camera. The year can say, call link na a description box ni mo, na click it. Na part ni be eto, o yenesa. You are supporting us. Now, we are subscribing. Now, click the notification bell no, and no end of screen so see we are the latest news be about one sir Ebeka. I would accept says here no akwa say in the media space no it's all about Tracy Boache and Kennedy Japan. Tracy Boache and Kennedy Japan because akwa say Ghana for mo abroche no asem ne yasem bia mo kan wie still asem ne shemo akumem because I received over 3 calls from Ghanaians outside. Na course ni me picking na no Tracy Boache ne Kennedy Japan asem na wo mo ka. Now, amma ensem bia ewechi nso no you forget about sansem no. Now one of the biggest ensem a ewechi I forget Reverend Owusu Bempah enkom sha wo share ya ende as a enkom she no etwa all na nini name no. Some people have sent me messages. Ebi mo can say Melodies wodie nanke wodie yenimo say Reverend Owusu Bempah we obeba bekasa aden na Reverend Owusu Bempah hyenkom a enko bebi a mo bekasa mesra mo munya ntobo ase bibia ye ntobo ase o. Now wo can say member bekasa kra no America kra no elections no wo mo nkan aba ne wie yes wo bia beka say Joe Biden e win ewie ene de ene kre but yen kan wie officially enye Joe Biden na ya select no as the president intino mean to me emba say Reverend Owusu Bempah ka say intino say na aba inti mebebo nechi dabi muntu mobo ase electoral college ewo America no 270 wo bia wo benya to one say difference between America and Ghana and the whole world voting and say America for them are very different. Ghana has say wo bia wo nya adodo ono ene den ye mano edane president but America will be betumi anya dodo na so enye ono no bedane president. They use the electoral college and no so be person metras ya mechi obi atena se ne ya tretre bibia na trese obi atiase inti America betumi aba ne say ebia senkro 400 million na vote a obi enya 60 million obi nso enya 40 million wo trim na be yo say 60 million na we win dabi obekwa ko hene bia 40 million no because they use the electoral college. Inti electoral college no wo bia wo benya 270 of the electoral colleges no wono na wadane president of America. Inti wo hwe America sisia Joe Biden over 253 electoral college no or colleges no 253 we nya 253 and a Trump 214. Inti clearly who say Joe Biden and at a war bank 270 no because regions are aka no and also some of the regions no Joe Biden yebaka say electoral colleges no a stronghold in Tingrofusu say Joe Biden would win hands down but officially no wonyen do 270 no intiana Reverend Owusu Bempah ne nkomhye no menyanka sanfa ho ye say eba na eba say Joe Biden e win a meye official broadcast on Reverend Owusu Bempah metre bibia nsemo a wokan some months ago nso nsema say ye bebo audios no obi ate because this year no as a senior air kono Reverend Owusu Bempah ababonti ababekasa and he's contradicting himself here. He's saying this, he's saying that, he's saying this, he's saying that. Amankofu bebrebuefu. Iti Ghana ni bia wo abrochi wa send me audio. Na wono so asemwa obi say Melodies aden na Reverend Owusu Bempah komhye yi won kasa mfa ho ye. Obi no no ankasa e call forward and our blast Reverend Owusu Bempah. Me there I will not speak on it yet until say it is official. Iti munya nto boasie mame because mebo audios you say oversee ebo video ye bebo audios na mo tie the entire Reverend Owusu Bempah can say Joe Biden no wini Trump be wini and then as Joe Biden wo wini nso ensem a Reverend Owusu Bempah wo kan mo be kai a embre bi me be ka kire mo say Reverend Owusu Bempah say Trump yakoye meeting na Abraham mo akoye meeting na wa asoro ahimemu na meeting no de koma angels na munia ye kan sansem ni na wa but mo de yenko ti asem aga na ni kan yɛbɛpɛ da pan sɛ America for election ɔmo declare officially a yɛbɛpɛ da na kyerɛ sɛ yɛ address issue we ba Ghana ni bi address issue no yɛngo tie ne mbra
aha evening good evening aha about train no good evening ati saying ohun ye de bibia boko melody me asama me wo ma one enya Chelsea Boachi ana Kennedy Japan asam me those speaking the from my brain so na asam de person be kan kra but me asam koma owusu bempa alla kambanya nanka waye owusu bempa comment me kasa fit Texas USA me kai say like some months ago owusu bempa ba share come say Joe Biden be lose be win wo share san kom no enche ya bia na osaba ya say Trump be win kan trobi so Joe Biden o wajije wajige atum Joe Biden wo maje adopting kwala Joe Biden wo yes unsam bebri twetwan tro wadi gay asama bani Joe Biden no a vice president ana Obama legalize gay wadi mo omodi call Supreme Court G2 mu American Supreme Court Republican to whom Democrat whom the Supreme Court Chief Justice no were Republican amo mo nyina G2 mu amo mo shemra Texas is a Republican state but gay for me worry they do whatever they want omo are right so mo yobe na oro ko she Joe Biden na yes say what twan trouble bri aka say enunti Joe Biden won wini enunti o was say Joe Biden won wini Democrat we can control bri afi was say who say ya lead Joe Biden lead Trump was about bontin say no one confirm me. Which kind of man of God is it? Which kind of God who changes his mind all the time? Nyankopon no also nkwa nyame wak no china wakasi o china Nyankopon akasi. What kind of God is that? Protection do be at me protecting abum. O protecting us abum it's normal. You move on. But don't come and say Ghanaians are stupid. Some of Ghanaians we are stupid or you name the air. No, sometimes we have people who are sensible, who will listen and reason. Me tie na asam no last time me tie asam let me say also be pa me bomb person to about we Nanka Trump because it shows clear 2 months ago say Trump is not going to win because what is going on in America here ain't easy. Because coronavirus we buy in the first now advantages because na economy ni koye coronavirus we buy and Trump at the same time we can some be people are dying you come out and be saying a lot of shit Sabio no we can't kwasa sama kira man for Emma yariya we ama kum nipa so the science was there. Sign no on say Trump want to be winning. So we can't say akwa we want him there koso. O Tigana na okaka de there. Come here and come and see how people are suffering. Come here and come and see. Janko Pomben about my Trump aba na what teaching kwala. See what he did to immigrants in the border. What immigrants, young children kwala no do what do much engage mo. And you are sitting down and say nyamina yi ni ma America. America did a mistake 4 years ago and vote for this guy. And this time we are saying that we are not going to do it again. You talk about money, people. Now Tigana, who say Yamina Yi Namae. Yamina Yi why my Americans. Do you know how many people are suffering here? Do you know how many people lose their jobs? Trump has say a month for Juma. Corona one handle coronavirus where ye. Akufo de cry ideas and Trump, our coronavirus. Akufo did better than Trump. He handled the cases in Ghana very, very well, more than Trump. Now to Ghana, now you say Trump bawini. I also been pound him the oka. Nyanko pon we the watchan through this time one can ye. Catch any beam. Time of fraud, maybe now the what that onyani ye, answer asam ye, asam way ye, sababim. And don't come back and be telling us the men can sir. One can as how can I say? So melody ma asama me pesa me de ma no. These days me send a voice message via own post. I don't know. Me so me didi atem. So I don't know, maybe where you're busy this and our message is not door so until I won't post here. So wait there, Mr.